Welcome to our unboxing of the 15.6 plus 11.6 dual screen POS system. Inside the box, we have the main unit, the power adapter user manual, and accessory cables. Featuring a 15.6-inch Full HD capacitive touchscreen for the operator, and an 11.6-inch customer display for price confirmation and promotions. Perfect for cafes and coffee shops. Swift order processing with one-touch input. In retail, it speeds up checkout lines. For restaurants, manage dinner in and takeout orders with ease. Seamless integration with kitchen printers and inventory systems. Streamline your business with smart POS solutions.